Have you ever worked on something in React and noticed how typing in an input can sometimes feel sluggish, especially if that input triggers a complex operation like searching or filtering? Well, React has this hook called useDeferredValue that can help. Let me show you a simple setup. Well, take a user's input and defer its processing. This means the UI stays responsive, even if something heavy is running in the background. Check out this example where we see the immediate and deferred values. So, here's something cool with React. We're comparing two components. One uses useDeferredValue and the other doesn't. Notice when you type into the input field, the immediate update side feels a bit laggy, right? That's because it's trying to keep up with every keystroke. But on the useDeferredValue side, typing feels super smooth. It still updates reactively, just gives us a better user experience by not rushing to show changes instantly. Pretty neat trick to enhance UI responsiveness, huh? Imagine you're typing super fast in a search box, and it just can't keep up, causing everything to lag. Here, we're easing that tension using something called useDeferredValue. Basically, we let you type as fast as you want, but we smartly delay the heavy lifting, like updating a huge list or chart, based on your typing. So, you get a smooth experience, and the big updates catch up when they're ready, without slowing you down. Imagine you're constantly updating a search query but don't want the app to stutter or show a loading spinner every single keystroke. Here's where Suspense and useDeferredValue shine together. By deferring the query update, the search component can fetch data based on the latest input without forcing users to wait or see intermediate states. The UI remains responsive, and Suspense seamlessly displays the loading state only when necessary. It's like having a secret buffer zone that ensures a smoother user experience. In this example, we're venturing into a bit smarter way to handle list filtering. Imagine you're typing to search within a list. As you type, the filter updates, but here's the cool part. We use useDeferredValue to hold off on re-rendering the filtered list until it's really necessary. This way, even if you type fast, the performance stays smooth, ensuring a great experience without lag or jitter. It's like the app is smart enough to catch up with your speed, without breaking a sweat. Imagine we're diving into the world of React optimizations, specifically focusing on a common pitfall when using useDeferredValue. Developers often pass objects directly into this hook, causing a cascade of unnecessary re-renders. Take our movie list component. To nail it, we keep objects stable, like the movie's state. By passing movies directly, we ensure the component only updates when absolutely needed, dodging those performance-hogging re-renders and keeping our app snappy. In React, combining useDeferredValue with memoization is like giving your app a turbo boost for performance. Imagine typing in a search box. useDeferredValue lets your app wait to update the search results, preventing unnecessary loading states. Now, add React Memo, a performance guardian that stops a component from re-rendering if its props haven't changed. Together, they ensure the search results component only updates when it truly needs to. This dynamic duo optimizes your app efficiently, creating a smoother user experience. Imagine you're typing in a search bar. Instead of hammering the server with requests after every keystroke, debouncing makes us wait a bit. It's like saying, "Hold on, let's see if they're done typing." But, if we use React's useDeferredValue, it's more like a smart waiting room. It lets us show the old results, nicely dimmed, while fetching new ones in the background. It keeps the experience smooth, without the awkward pauses of traditional debouncing. So, we've got this cool React hook called useDeferredValue which is great for keeping our app snappy, but there's a catch. It doesn't automatically reduce the number of network requests we're making. That's where debouncing comes in. By setting a debounce timer, we ensure that we only make a network request if the user stops typing for a bit. This way, we're not bombarding our server with requests every time a letter is typed. It's like giving our app a moment to breathe and think before making a call. Imagine you're shopping online, typing in the search box to find your favorite products. Here's how we make your experience smoother. As you type, the input instantly responds without lag, even though the search results might take a moment to load. By using useDeferredValue from React, we defer the heavy lifting of updating search results. So, you'll see a quick loading results message, ensuring the app feels snappy, while the full search results are being prepared for you.